Want to create a modern, elegant, and functional profile card in Flutter? In this video, you'll learn step-by-step how to build a complete profile card featuring a photo, name, profession, user stats, and an About section, perfect for profile apps, social media, or user detail screens. Let's build it. In this tutorial, we'll use CircleAvatar for the profile picture, text with clear typography, divider to separate sections with elegance, and clean layouts with row, column, padding, and SizedBox. We will start by creating our main stateless widget, the profile card, and wrap everything with Material App and Scaffold to ensure a proper material look. Then, let's add an app bar to create some spacing at the top of the app. Inside the body, we add horizontal padding with size 32 to give some breathing room, and organize the layout with a column, setting the alignment to cross-axis alignment .start to align the content to the left. Now let's build the top section of our profile card. It includes the user's image, name, profession, and some metrics. This part of the content will go inside a column, wrapped with a center so everything stays nicely aligned in the middle of the screen. To insert the profile image, we'll start by creating an images folder and adding our image inside it. Next, open the pubspec.yaml file, scroll to the Assets section, and uncomment the relevant lines to include your image. Now, we can use the CircleAvatar widget with a radius of 55 and set the image as the background. Right below, we add a size box with a height of 18 for spacing, followed by the user's name in bold using a font size of 22 and a weight of 700. Then, we add a size box with a height of 14 and a width of 80, and inside it we place a divider to create a decorative line below the name, using a thickness of 2 and the color red accent. The user's profession comes right after, styled with a font size of 14, a font weight of 400, and the color cyan 800. After the header, we add another size box for spacing and create a row with main axis alignment .center. Inside this row, we place 3 metrics: rating, followers, and repositories. Each metric is represented by a custom widget called InfoItem. To create this widget, we'll start by creating a new file called itemrow.dart inside the widgets folder. Inside this file, we define a stateless widget with 2 required variables: final string value and final string title. Then, we return a column with 2 text widgets. The first one displays the value, usually a number, using a font size of 16 and a bold font weight. The second one shows the title, also styled with a font size of 12 and bold font weight. To use the widget in our app, we place the info item inside the row with their respective values. Then we add 2 SizedBox widgets with a height of 28, along with a vertical divider to create a clear visual separation between each block, using a width of 45, thickness of 1.2, and the colors.pink accent. Finishing the layout, we have the About section, responsible for presenting the profile description in a clean and organized way. We start with the title About, styled with a font size of 18 and bold weight to give it visual prominence. Just below, we add a paragraph of text aligned with text-align justify, which ensures uniform margins and improves readability, especially on larger screens. And with that, we've completed our full profile card in Flutter. Clean, simple, and fully based on material design. This layout is perfect for professional apps, social platforms, or even portfolios. Now, It's time to customize it with your own information, colors, and preferred styles. If you enjoyed this tutorial, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other devs who love Flutter. See you in the next video.